Fishing boats follow the water and love the spring in the mountains. Peach blossoms on both sides of the river flank the ancient ferry. Sitting and looking at the red trees, I don't know how far away they are. I walked along the green stream and saw no one. The sneak trail at the mountain pass begins. The mountains open up and the view turns to the flatland. Looking from afar, I see a cloud gathering tree. Nearby there are thousands of scattered flowers and bamboos. The woodcutter first spread the Chinese name. The residents did not change their kin clothes. The residents lived together in Wulingyuan. Also start a pastoral life away from the material world. The room is quiet under the moonlit pines. The sunrise among the clouds and the chickens and dogs are noisy. I was surprised to hear that common people were coming together. He went back home and asked about the capital. In the morning, I sweep the flowers in the alleys. At dusk, fishermen and woodcutters come in by water. At first, I went to the human world to avoid the land. When he became an immortal, he never returned. Who knows, there are human beings in the gorge, looking at Wulingyuan mountain from afar in this world. No doubt the spiritual realm is hard to hear or see. My heart is still missing my home time. No matter the mountains and rivers, I finally plan to leave home and travel